the future isn't coming anymore. It's already here. We're talking about a robot vacuum that can literally climb stairs, a mirror that can estimate how long you'll live, and even an AI companion that watches your screen and coaches you in real time. And that's just the beginning, because in this video, I found gadgets that don't just look cool. They actually solve real problems, from powerful everyday tools to next-level tech you didn't even know existed, including one device that could replace half your setup. So make sure you stick around, because number 19 might be the craziest thing on this list. And if you're new here, welcome. This is Legacy Lens Tech, where we find the smartest gadgets that actually make life easier. So hit subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 1. DJI Osmo Nano camera. And if you thought gadgets couldn't get any more impressive, this one takes things to a whole new level. This tiny camera fits right in your pocket, but shoots in stunning 4K quality with ultra-wide angles that look straight out of a movie. Whether you're traveling, vlogging, or just capturing moments, it delivers smooth cinematic footage without carrying bulky gear. Just grab it, press record, and you're shooting like a pro. Small in size, but seriously powerful. Number 2. 4K Smart Dash Cam. This isn't just a camera, it's your second pair of eyes on the road. It records everything in ultra-clear 4K, capturing details like license plates, even in low light. And with smart alerts, it can warn you if you're distracted or driving too long. Plus, it automatically records impacts, so you're protected even when your car's parked. It's one of those gadgets you hope you never need, but you'll be glad you have when it matters. Number 3. Chargeek Transparent Power Bank. At first glance, this looks like something from a sci-fi movie. That transparent design just hits different, but it's not just for show. With a massive 20,000 mAh battery, it can charge your phone multiple times, or even save your laptop when you're desperate. And thanks to fast charging and smart cooling, it powers up your devices quickly without overheating. This isn't just a power bank, it's that one gadget you'll be glad you brought when everything else dies. Number 4. Joyroom Clip Speaker. This tiny speaker is way more powerful than it looks. Just clip it onto your bag, belt, or gear, and you've got music wherever you go. It delivers clear sound with surprisingly strong bass, even at higher volume. And it's not just for music. It also comes with a built-in light for emergencies or night use. Small, portable, and super practical. This is one of those gadgets you'll end up using more than you expect. Number 5. Baseus Magnetic Car Charger. Imagine getting into your car and your phone just snaps into place. No cables, no distraction. That's exactly what this magnetic charger does. With powerful magnets, it holds your phone securely, even on rough roads, while delivering fast wireless charging at the same time. So instead of fumbling with wires while driving, everything just works. Smooth, clean, and effortless. This isn't just a car accessory. It's the kind of upgrade you didn't know you needed until you try it. Roborock Saros Rover, stair-climbing robot vacuum. At first, this looks like a normal robot vacuum, but then it does something that completely changes everything. It climbs stairs, not ramps, not small bumps, actual stairs. Using a futuristic wheel leg system, the entire body lifts, adjusts, and physically steps up to the next level like a robot straight out of a sci-fi movie. Which means no more carrying your vacuum upstairs, no more leaving half your house uncleaned. It doesn't just clean your home, it follows you through it. And once you see it move, you realize this isn't just a vacuum anymore. It's the beginning of real home robots. Number 7. MF10 Pro Foldable Mouse. This might look like a simple mouse, but it's actually a 2-in-1 productivity tool. With one click, it transforms into a presentation remote, so you can control slides, highlight key points, and switch seamlessly. And here's the best part. You can connect it to multiple devices at once and switch instantly. No reconnecting, no delays. It's lightweight, compact, and built for people who are always on the move. Once you use it, a regular mouse just feels outdated. Number 8. GameSir G7 Pro Controller. If you're serious about gaming, this controller is a serious upgrade. It's designed for precision and speed, with ultra-responsive triggers and near-zero lag. So every move feels instant. You can customize the buttons to match your playstyle, giving you more control exactly where it matters, whether you're on PC, console, or mobile. This just makes everything feel smoother and more competitive. Now, from gaming performance to something that could actually protect you in real life. Magnetic wrist tool bracelet. If you've ever dropped screws while working, you already know how annoying that can be. This bracelet solves that instantly. With strong built-in magnets, it holds screws, nails, and small tools right on your wrist. So everything stays exactly where you need it. No more bending down, no more losing parts mid-job. It's simple, but once you try it, you won't want to work without it. 2. Lepro TB1 Smart Gyro Lamp. At first glance, this looks like some kind of futuristic sculpture, but it's actually one of the most unique desk setups you can own. The Lepro TB1 is basically a gyroscope made of light. with 3 floating rings that you can rotate and reshape however you want. And as you move it, the entire lighting pattern shifts in real time. It doesn't just turn on, it reacts. Inside, there are nearly 200 LEDs blending colors smoothly, creating effects that feel more like a sci-fi display than a normal lamp. But here's where it gets interesting. You can literally tell it how you feel. Say you're stressed, it calms the lighting. Game night, it switches to a more intense, energetic vibe. It even syncs with your music, turning your room into a full experience. This isn't just lighting, it's atmosphere on demand. Number 11. VMag Smart Wallet Tool. At first glance, this looks like a simple wallet, but it's hiding way more than you'd expect. Inside, you've got built-in tools like screwdrivers, a pen, and other essentials, all packed into a slim, minimal design. It also works as a quick-access card holder, so everything you need is right at your fingertips. It's clean, compact, and designed for everyday carry, perfect for people who like to stay prepared without carrying extra bulk. All right, now we're getting into serious gear. Number 12. 180-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. This isn't just a toolkit, it's basically a full repair station in one case. With over 160 precision bits, you can fix phones, laptops, cameras, almost anything with screws. Everything is neatly organized, so you're not wasting time searching for the right piece. And the magnetic tips? They keep everything steady, even when working with tiny components. If you like being prepared, this is one of those tools you'll keep coming back to. But this next one feels like something straight out of a movie. Razer PROJECT Ava, AI Companion. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just talk to you, but actually watches what you're doing. That's exactly what this is. PROJECT Ava is a real physical AI companion, living inside a transparent capsule right on your desk. And it doesn't just sit there. It reacts to you, tracks your eyes, and even responds with realistic expressions. But here's the crazy part. It can see your screen. While you're gaming, it analyzes everything in real time, giving you tips, warning you about enemies, and helping you make better decisions instantly. It's like having a personal coach that never misses anything. And when you're not gaming, it becomes your assistant, helping with ideas, tasks, or just keeping you company. This isn't just AI anymore. It feels alive. Number 14. Magnetic iPhone SSD. This might be one of the smartest upgrades any iPhone user can make, because running out of storage right in the middle of recording is one of the most frustrating things ever. This fixes that instantly. It snaps onto your phone magnetically and gives you up to 2 terabytes of storage, which means you can shoot high-quality 4K video without ever worrying about space again. But it gets better, it's fast enough for ProRes recording, has built-in cooling to prevent overheating, and even lets you charge your phone while you're using it. So instead of constantly deleting files, you just keep creating. Number 15. 5-in-1 USB-C hub. If your laptop only has 1 or 2 ports, you already know the struggle. Plug in your charger, now you can't connect your monitor, connect your USB. Now everything else has to wait. This fixes all of that instantly. You plug this in once, and suddenly your entire setup opens up. 4K display, connected, fast data transfer, done. Charging, still running in the background. No switching cables, no unplugging things every 5 seconds. It turns one port into total control. And once you start using it, going back feels impossible. Number 16. Electric air duster. Dust is one of those problems you don't notice until it's everywhere. Keyboards, car vents, tight corners. It builds up fast, and cleaning it properly, usually annoying. But this makes it effortless. This electric air duster spins at insane speed, blasting out a powerful stream of air that clears dust in seconds. No wipes, no cans, no mess. Just point and watch everything disappear. It's cordless, rechargeable, and strong enough to clean everything from your PC setup to your car interior. And once you use it, you start noticing just how dirty things really were. Number 17. Bluetooth Beanie. This might look like a normal beanie, but it quietly solves multiple problems at once. Cold weather, no hands-free, no light. This handles all of it. It has built-in wireless headphones, so you can listen to music or take calls without touching your phone. There's also an LED light on the front that lights up your path at night, perfect for walking, running, or working in the dark. And since it's USB rechargeable, you don't have to worry about battery. It's one of those simple ideas that just makes everyday life easier, warm, practical, and surprisingly smart. Number 18. 4-in-1 laser level tool. If you've ever tried hanging something on a wall, you know how easy it is to get it wrong. Crooked frames, uneven shelves, dust everywhere. This fixes all of that at once. It projects precise laser lines, so everything stays perfectly straight every time. But the real upgrade? It has a built-in dust collection system that sucks in debris while you drill. So instead of making a mess, you get clean, accurate results in one go. Just stick it, align it, drill, done. No guesswork, no cleanup, just professional results, instantly. Number 19. Smart LED lamp 4-in. This doesn't look like much, until you realize how many things it replaces. It's not just a lamp, it's your speaker, your phone charger, and even your alarm clock, all built into one clean setup. You can customize the lighting to match your mood, play music through built-in surround sound, and charge your phone wirelessly without adding more cables to your desk. And when it's time to wake up, it gently lights up your room instead of shocking you with noise. So instead of having multiple devices cluttering your space, you get one smart system that does it all. Number 20. Gooseneck phone holder. Holding your phone for too long gets uncomfortable fast. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling, or trying to follow a tutorial, your hand eventually gives up. This fixes that instantly. The flexible steel arm lets you position your phone exactly where you want it, while keeping it completely stable. No shaking, no slipping, just lock it in place and go hands-free. It's perfect for watching content in bed, recording videos, or even working without constantly picking up your phone. Simple idea, but once you use it, you'll wonder why you didn't get it sooner. Number 21. 4-in-1 fast charging cable. Too many cables for too many devices. It's messy, confusing, and honestly, unnecessary. This fixes all of it with one simple upgrade. A single cable. That works with almost everything. iPhone, Android, laptop, tablet, it handles them all. And it doesn't just charge, it charges fast. So instead of carrying multiple cables or searching for the right one every time, you just plug in and you're done. No clutter, no switching, no stress. It's one of those small changes that makes a big difference every single day. Number 22. Smart mug warmer. You make your coffee, take a few sips, then forget about it. Next thing you know, it's cold. This fixes that completely. It keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours, so every sip feels fresh. You can choose your heat level, set a timer, and just leave it there. No reheating, no wasted coffee. It's simple, but once you use it, you won't want to go back. Number 23. Handheld Steamer. Wrinkles can ruin your entire outfit, and ironing takes time and effort. This makes it effortless. It heats up in seconds and smooths out clothes almost instantly. No board needed. You can use it vertically on delicate fabrics, or even while traveling. Just one button, and your clothes go from messy to clean in minutes. It's quick, portable, and honestly, way more convenient than ironing. Number 24. Govee LED strip lights. Your room might look fine right now, but this completely transforms it. With just one setup, you can turn any space into something that actually feels alive. These LED strip lights give you full control. Colors, brightness, effects, everything. You can match your mood, sync it with music, or create a setup that just looks clean and modern. And because it's smart controlled, you don't even need to get up. One tap, or just your voice, and your entire room changes. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make, but the difference it creates, instant. And finally, this next one solves a problem almost everyone has experienced. Number 25. Tile Slim Tracker. Losing your wallet is one of the most stressful small problems. You check your pockets, your bag, everywhere. This makes sure that never happens again. It's thin enough to slide into your wallet, and once it's there, you can track it anytime from your phone. Lost it nearby? Make it ring. Can't find your phone? Press the tracker, and your phone rings back. It's simple, but incredibly powerful, because it turns panic into control. Some of these gadgets look cool, but the best ones, they actually make life easier. And once you start using them, there's no going back. If you made it this far, you already know this is just the beginning. Subscribe to Legacy Lens Tech for more smart gadgets that actually matter. And tell me in the comments, which one would you actually use? I'll see you in the next one.